Today, I'm going to show you how I clean bathrooms professionally. So when I walk into a bathroom and I see any cabinets or shelving on top of the toilet, I like to give it a quick dust down with Swiffer duster just to make sure that there's no dust accumulating on them cabinets. And I also like to dust up underneath anything that could be on the cabinet or shelving, just to make sure that it's really good and dusted before I actually get down to the toilet. So what I like to do when it comes to toilets is I like to put the toilet bowl cleaner in and make sure it's up in that rim, because when you go to clean the toilet, you can, get underneath that rim really good as well, and just clean the bowl as good as you can, making sure that there's nothing lingering behind. And what I like to do as well is just grab a piece of toilet paper, just wipe the toilet before I actually clean it and wet it down just to make sure there's no dust. Nothing on the toilet that is gonna give me a headache when I go to wipe it with the cleaner. Then what I like to do is take my rag and I like to spray the rag instead of spraying the toilet. The cleaner is going to get on the toilet, so it's going to kill any germs that's on the toilet. But I do like to wipe the seat of the toilet first before wiping underneath the seat of the toilet, just so there is no cross-contamination on the seat that we actually sit on. Then I like to spray the rag again and just go on top of the toilet just to dust it down and make sure that there is nothing, and I remove anything that could be on that toilet. And I like to get down around the basin of the toilet as well, just in case there is any dust, anything lingering underneath around the toilet. I like to give it a good cleaning. Generally, I do get down there and make sure that I'm doing a great job on getting everything off. I also like to do the floor around the toilet. Next, I like to do the mirror first. So we're going to remove the toothpaste, the cups, the toothbrushes, and this. And then we're just going to spray the rag. Now this is a different blue rag. This is strictly for mirrors and glass, so this is what I'm using it for, just for the mirror. And I like to start from the top, and as you can see, this mirror is very small, and boom bam, the mirror looks really good. And then I just replace everything how it was set up, and then we will be moving on to the sink. And with the sink, I do the same thing. I just kind of move everything out of my way. Sorry, I'll cut it out. And then I just spray down the sink, the faucet, and then I use a different color rag on that, and I just give it a good wipe around everything, just make sure everything looks good. Some cases you may need to bring out like a little scrub brush or a toothbrush and go around the faucet area right here where it collects a lot of like water stains and things like that, maybe a little bit of mildew. And then I like to wipe down all of this, the cabinet, and then I just put everything back where it belongs. So we are going to put this back in the corner where it belongs. I do wipe it down and put everything back. Just kind of go over everything, make sure nothing is super dirty and dusty. So we're going to start with the shower walls. What I like to do is you can use a flat mop or you can use a microfiber rag. But because I'm not tall enough to get to the top part of the shower, then I'm going to use a microfiber mop, and I'm just going to wet this down with water, and I'm going to use some shower clean and daily shower spray. This is really great if you don't have a lot of scrubbing to do on your shower walls. This is going to just give it a nice shine and collect all of the dust off of your shower walls that accumulates over time.
and you can cover a lot of wall with this on your tiles, and it's much quicker to get it done this way. Next, I like to do the same for the tub. Just spray my rag, especially if the tub is not super bad. Sometimes if it is bad, you gotta spray the tub down and kind of give it a little scrub, but in this situation, this tub is not super bad. So I just like to go around the tubs and make sure there's no hair, no shampoo, nothing in the tub, no water spots, nothing in the tub that's gonna be super dirty. I like to wipe around there, here, and I always start when it comes to the floor. I like to use a microfiber mop. Just spray a little bit of disinfectant on your mop and just go over the floor. Now, I do go around the toilet area on hands and knees, and I mop the rest of the floor with a microfiber mop.
So there you have it. This is my way that I clean bathrooms professionally. I am a professional house cleaner. I've been doing this business since 2014. And I hope that I was able to teach you something on how to clean your bathroom professionally. Let me know in the comments how you clean your bathroom, or did you find value in this video? If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That lets me know you want to see more videos like this. If you are watching this video and you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing to this channel. It really helps my channel grow. I am a small channel, and I want to keep bringing you value that you can use in your everyday life with cleaning your own home. And if you haven't watched this video yet on how to clean your cooktop stove, go watch that video, and I hope that you find more value in that video as well. Until next time, I hope to see you in the next video, and have a great day.